Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix the battery drain on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. At first you have to go to your system settings and now scroll down to the battery and device care. Tap battery here and enable the power saving mode, and as you can see, from 23 hours we have 29 hours. Apart from that, here we can no, it's not here. In the newer Android versions we have ultra battery saver, and ultra battery saver will give us something around 2 days of the battery life. So yes, that's how it works, and this is the first tip from me. The second tip is go back to the main menu of these settings and go up to the display. Here lower the display level, brightness level, and enable the adaptive brightness. As you can see, if I turn off my lights, the brightness level should be changed to the minimum, and now if I enable them, it should be changed up to 9 lights. And what it does, it automatically saves the display and saves the battery up to our lighting conditions, and it should fix the battery. And this is the second tip. The first tip is that if you scroll down here to the control panel and prolong it, you can turn off the unused modules. So for example, if you are outside, disable Wi-Fi. If you're not using any headphones, disable Bluetooth. If you don't need location, disable the location services. And apart from that, we have the NFC tag. So if you don't see it here, tap plus and search for the NFC and add it here and disable NFC. Here, disable that, and now you should be good to go from here. Apart from that, we can go back to settings and scroll down again to the battery and device care. Tap battery here and now tap on the view details here. Here you should see the list of the most used apps in your phone, and here identify high drain applications, for example TikTok, YouTube, etc., and try using them less, try to limit them, try to clear cache and data of these applications. And yes, but the best tip is to use this application less if you're using them for a long period of time. And apart from that, we can go back to the main menu of our settings and scroll to the software update. Tap that and tap download and install. Here, if you have any software updates, update your phone. It's because our phone may have released, Samsung may have released some quick patch update for our phone, and it can fix our battery usage or related bugs. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like under this video. It's very important to us. And yes, if you have some drawbacks on my video, tell me in the comments below, and the same is with the questions, tell me in the comments below. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.